Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you. This is a collaboration video with a ton of other wonderful channels you can find here on YouTube, and we are doing a summer cookout collab where we're going to tell you some of our favorite recipes and cookout things for summertime, because it is in fact the summer and there are cookouts everywhere we go. So after you take a look at my video, make sure you check out all of the other channels that are listed down below, as we will have a ton of Weight Watchers friendly, diet friendly, healthy living friendly summer cookout recipes, tips, tricks, and everything in between for you. Now, for my recipe, I came up with something super quick, super simple. It's only 3 ingredients and it takes no time at all, which is of course one of my favorite ways to cook. And because I don't actually have a grill, when I do cookout stuff, I cook out over at my parents' house and my dad does the grilling. I cooked on my stove and I use a grill pan, which I've had for ages, and it gets the job done. It gives me the lines I like, the grill cooking lines, you know what I'm talking about. So you will notice that I cooked in my grill pan and not on an actual grill. But the recipe can go either way. Maybe you don't have a grill at home and you can have a grill pan as well, or this translates perfectly into a grill type setting for a cookout. Now, when I think of summer, I think of tropical type fruits, right? So I wanted to incorporate grilled pineapple into my dish. And because of that, I came up with teriyaki grilled chicken and pineapple. Have you ever eaten grilled pineapple? It is delicious. Everything glorious about a cold, yummy piece of pineapple, but warming it up really gives it this extra something amazing. So that's why I chose grilled pineapple. Now, you will see that the video part itself is just going to be a little montage of me prepping and cooking the food, because it is so very easy. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and what I'm using, and then you're going to get to see me do it. All you need for this recipe, seriously, all you need is boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 0 smart points. Pineapple, 0 smart points. And a teriyaki marinade. Now, if you are a Weight Watchers rebel, maybe you don't track your marinades, but if you do, try to pick one that's between 1 and 2 points a serving. And then what I do is I would track the amount for a serving of the marinade, or maybe 2, so maybe somewhere between 2 to 4 points for as much of this recipe as I would want. And we're talking freestyle smart points, by the way. Chicken 0, pineapple 0, marinade is whatever the marinade is. I go for the lowest calorie option I can find, or the cheapest, depending on the day. All you're going to do is take your boneless, skinless chicken breast, chop it up into skewers sized chunks, drain your pineapple. Oh, a note about the pineapple. If you go fresh, then it doesn't matter. But if you go canned, like I decided to do for this recipe today, make sure that your pineapple is either, I don't think they offer pineapple in water, but make sure it's in 100% pineapple juice. Do not get the kind that is in heavy syrup, because that is not 0 smart points. That is heavy sugar-laden stuff, and pineapple's pretty sugary to begin with. So only get the one in juice. Once you chunk up your chicken and you have your pineapple at the ready, all you have to do is take your wooden skewers and pop on however many pieces of chicken and pineapple you want, and then throw them on your hot grill or grill pan. I cooked mine for about 5 minutes on each side. Check the doneness of the chicken, because of course this is the most important part. As you can see, mine got a little bit dark, and I don't care about that, because part of the joy of grilling is the grill marks, in my opinion. Like, I love me a hot dog with some nice black grill marks on it, right? Am I right? Am I the only one here? So all you do is you build your skewers, you pop them on the grill, halfway through you flip them over, and then you are good to go with a delicious and 0, or not quite 0, delicious, almost 0 smart point meal. And it is so tasty. It is a great thing to contribute to any summer cookout, because it just kind of gives you that summery Hawaiian feel right there because of the pineapple and the teriyaki. So without further ado, here is me cooking that dish. was that easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to give this recipe a try, and let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite summer cookout recipes are. Don't forget to go ahead and check out every other channel I have listed down below for what their summer cookout collaboration video is. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you to all the ladies participating in this collab. It is an honor to work with each and every one of you. And thank you guys for watching and taking the time to spend a little bit of time with me today. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!